Happy Monday and happy August, Pash fam. I am Chelsea, and you guessed it, I am back with another challenge of the week. And I'm excited to share this one with you, especially if you are feeling lost or unfulfilled, especially during these times. So let's get this started. Set time aside each day of this week to ask yourself what is really important. Have the wisdom and the courage to build your life around your answer. For the first sentence, I want to add what is important to you, not simply just what is important. Second, for the phrase have the wisdom and courage, let's change that to challenge yourself to gain the wisdom and courage. Now that we've got that settled, I'm gonna share 4 prompts to help guide you in tackling this week's challenge. The first question is, what is important to you? I encourage you to forget about being realistic or trying to justify your answers, because who else is going to tell you what's important to you? Who else knows what is important to you? It is you. So whether that is your career, your family, your passions, the most important thing for me is freedom. If it's important to you, it's important to you. So hold that close to your heart and value that. Question number 2, what have you done to build your life around that so far? If it's a family, you have a livelihood that helps support that family. If it's your career, you went to school, you've done some networking. And in my case, for freedom, what I've done is I chose to go to therapy. I detached a lot from a lot of my upbringing. I set boundaries with work, my relationships, and with my family. Question number 3, so what has been holding you back from building a life around your answer? For a lot of people, it's debt, it's insecurities, it's a lack of confidence. In my personal experience, it is debt. I swipe my credit card a lot, but I've gotten better. I made a decision to not swipe it a lot. And lastly, challenge yourself to gain the wisdom and the courage. So list down actionable steps that you can take right now in the next few months till the end of 2020. What can you do to help you build a life around your answer? You know, this is actually a pretty deep challenge, and I don't see it being easy, so it's okay. This is what's really important to you, and I think this is the perfect time to ask these questions to yourself. I hope you learned something valuable about yourself, and I hope you gain the courage and the wisdom to create the life you've always wanted. And always remember, Chelsea Wong believes in you.